Ever wondered how websites went from looking like this to this, and what tools helped shape the web as we know it? Today, we're diving into the world of web design with a look at a classic tool, Adobe Dreamweaver 8. Think of it as a web design workshop where you can build and manage websites. Dreamweaver 8 allows you to design visually without manually writing the code, but it also has a powerful code editor, enabling you to handcraft HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for finer control. The best thing about Dreamweaver 8 is that it enables you to see a preview of your design in real time while you customize the web pages. As a result, you get the best of both worlds between manual coding and visual design. Dreamweaver helps you to customize fonts, colors, and layouts with ease. Tools like the CSS Panel make styling elements simpler by providing a user-friendly design. Dreamweaver 8 was popular among people building all kinds of websites, from personal blogs to business websites. If you are curious about web design, Dreamweaver 8 is an interesting tool to explore. It offers a blend of visual design and coding capabilities. So get started today and discover the world of web design.